In this video, I want to show you how to create this type of column or entrance porch. As you can see, we can use sweep to create this. Let's head over to our Revit. Okay, so assuming this is your approach, I am going to go to approach view on elevation. I'm going to go to elevation. Then I am going to go to architecture tab. I will go to model in place. Then I'll select casework. I'll hit OK. Then I am going to select sweep and make sure your selection toggle, this in your selection toggle, this should be on, so that you will be able to pick face. Otherwise, you will not be able to pick face when you are sketching your path. So I want to sketch my path now. You remember how I pick my path? I pick my path here, and you are asked to pick a plane now. So I'm going to pick a plane. So with this on, I will be able to pick this plane. Otherwise, if I off it now, I will not be able to pick this plane. Rather, I can only pick this edge, and this edge will not work for me. So I need to pick this face. This is when it can work for me. So I'm going to on this to enable me pick that face. So I can now pick this face. So I'll be able to sketch on this face now. The first thing I will do is to sketch the outline. I will sketch the outline. Don't mind the design. The design is not the same thing, but what I want us to create is that porch, that entrance porch. And I want to remove this. Okay, so you can see, you see where this red something there. This is where we are going to create our profile. We are going to go to floor plan to create our profile, so that the sweep will go like this and come down. Okay, so let me finish this. Then I will hit edit profile. I'm going to go to the ground floor plan. I'm going to go to ground floor plan. Then here I am in ground floor plan. I'm going to start sketching. I can take the depth to be 750. I'll press enter. Then I am going to go to the right by, let's say, 200. I'll press enter. Then you can see that wall looks somehow bevel. So I'm going to go like that. Then I'll go inside and close it. So this is our profile. Then I'm going to finish it. I'll finish it, and make sure you select the material you want to use. Depends on the material you are choosing. And let's say I choose balcony or balcony beam, and hit OK. Then I'll finish it. Let's look at it. Okay, here you are. Okay, this is not big enough. It's not magnificent like that one. So I'm going to edit it. Edit. Then edit sweep. I'm going to locate the profile. Edit. I want to make the profile bigger. So let me go to the floor plan. Okay, here we are. So let me make this, the profile, bigger. I'm going to extend that, and let me close that. Assuming I want this one to still remain at 200 mm, then I have to specify it. I want it to remain at that 200 mm. So let me change the dimension to 200 mm. Then I can remove the dimension. Then I'm going to select this and drag it here. I cannot trim it. I'm going to remove that. I think this should be big enough, and if it's not big, we can still reduce, we can move it up like this. Okay, then let me finish it and see. Okay, I think this is bigger now. Yeah, it's something like this. It's something like this. Okay, I hope it worked. Thank you. If it does not, you can ask me question, and there are still more things you can do with it. You can use assuming I'm editing now, let me go to edit mode. I'll hit edit sweep. While in editing mode, I can still cut off some things using void. I can use this void. You can use void extrusion to cut some things off. You can use void sweep. Void meaning you want to cut something away from this model. That is what void is used for. While you are in your editing mode, you can use void to cut away some things off. Like if I want to cut anything now, I can use void to do that, but I will not do that in this video except if you require it. Thank you.